Hi everyone! In this video I'm gonna show you how I did add my brand name. My tutorial on how to make this book will be linked in the description box under the video below. This is the machine I've been using for a year and a half, and I should say I'm pretty happy with it. This machine comes with a variety of decorative stitches and can do embroidery. And today I would like to demonstrate to you how I use letter stitching on this sewing machine for creating my custom brand label. So let's get started. I'm pressing the decorative and letter stitch button. Have a look at the display. The machine tells me to use the B presser foot for that stitch, but I'm gonna use my open toe presser foot. So these are 5 patterns of decorative stitches. I do not need them right now, I am pressing the button once more. And here are available letter patterns. I'm gonna use the first one. It is a Gothic letter stitch. Now I'm pressing this right arrow button to scroll the letter patterns. When I need to select a specific letter, I'm pressing the button directly under the indicated pattern. Using the same procedure, I'm typing my brand name. Selected pattern is indicated on the top of the display. And at the end, I'm adding this tag button. It means my machine will stop automatically after sewing my pattern. So I already put my markings indicating the start and the end of my stitching. I'm using a stabilizer on the back of my felt. It will give support to my felt and my thread during the embroidery process. Without the stabilizer, my felt may distort. I'm gonna use Gutterman all-purpose sewing thread. Well, now everything is ready to start the stitching. I'm placing my book cover under the presser foot, putting it down, and starting the stitching by pressing my foot pedal. Here we go. Now I'm trimming these jump stitches between the letters using my thread snips scissors. Threading my thread tail into the needle and taking my threaded needle to the back of my book cover. After that, I am turning my project over and pulling the threads of these jump stitches up a bit with my tailor's awl. Snip the thread tails, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy creations! Thank you! Bye for now!